In this video, I am going to show you how you can easily change your name on Facebook. So first up, open the Facebook app, then click on these three lines right over here. Now scroll down until you find the settings option. Once you do that, click on the account center option right over here. You can then click on your profiles option and select the Facebook account you would like to change your name. So this is my Facebook account and I'm just going to simply click on it. Once you do that, click on the name option and you can then easily change your name right over here. So once you've typed in your new name, you can then easily click on the review change option. So as you can see, it's going to preview your new name and it's going to give you some suggestions. So if you want to change the name you typed in and want to use the suggested name, you can easily click on the suggested name and click on the save changes option. Once you do that, you would have successfully changed your name on Facebook. So that's how you can easily change your name on Facebook. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.